Santiago de los Caballeros, often simply called Santiago, is a city pulsing with life. It is the second largest city in the Dominican Republic. Santiago wears two hats with pride, cultural capital and commercial powerhouse. This unique blend makes it a fascinating destination. Visitors experience the island's soul and see its modern dynamism. Santiago is located in the fertile Chibao Valley. The city is surrounded by lush landscapes. Rolling hills and verdant fields paint a picturesque backdrop. The city is known for its friendly people, known as Santiagueros. They welcome visitors with open arms and warm smiles. The city's history is as rich and captivating as its present. Santiago has played a pivotal role in shaping the Dominican Republic's identity. From its colonial roots to its fierce fight for independence, Santiago's past is deeply intertwined with the nation's narrative. Santiago's streets whisper tales of resilience and rebellion. It was a key player in the Dominican Restoration War, which took place from 1863 to 1865. This war aimed to regain independence from Spain. The city proudly carries the title of Ciudad Corazon, or Heart City, for its role in this struggle. One significant event was the Grito de Santiago, the cry for independence. This pivotal moment ignited the flames of rebellion against Spanish rule. Santiago became a strategic battleground during the war. The city's spirit remained unyielding. After the war, Santiago emerged as a symbol of Dominican strength. The city's unwavering spirit left an indelible mark on its people. Today, monuments and museums stand as testaments to this heroic past. They serve as constant reminders of the city's pivotal role in shaping the nation's destiny. Santiago is a haven for art enthusiasts. The city pulsates with a vibrant energy. Galleries showcase a diverse range of artistic expressions. From traditional Dominican styles to contemporary works, there's something to captivate every art lover's eye. The Centro Leon is a cultural landmark. It celebrates Dominican identity through art and anthropology. The Gran Teatro del Cibao is another gem. This grand theatre hosts captivating performances. These include renowned ballets, operas and concerts. Beyond these institutions, Santiago's streets are adorned with murals. These vibrant artworks add splashes of colour and creativity to the cityscape. They often depict scenes of Dominican life, history and culture. Walking through Santiago feels like stepping into an open-air art gallery. Section 4, the engine of progress, Santiago's economic prowess. Santiago is a city on the move. It is a driving force in the Dominican economy. Its strategic location in the heart of the Chibao Valley has earned it the nickname El Chibao. The region is known as the Dominican Republic's breadbasket. Agriculture is a cornerstone of Santiago's economy. The fertile lands surrounding the city produce a bounty of crops. These include tobacco, coffee, and cacao. These products contribute significantly to the Dominican Republic's exports. Beyond agriculture, Santiago has witnessed growth in other sectors. These include manufacturing, retail, and tourism. The city has become a hub for manufacturing. It produces goods like textiles, footwear, and processed foods. This economic diversification has fueled Santiago's growth. It has made it an important player in the global market. Section 5, a feast for the senses, culinary delights of Santiago. No trip to Santiago is complete without indulging in its culinary scene. The city is a melting pot of flavors. Influences from Africa, Europe, and the indigenous Taino people blend harmoniously. One must-try dish is la bandera, the Dominican Republic's national dish. It typically consists of stewed beans, rice, and meat. For those with a sweet tooth, Santiago offers a range of delectable desserts. Habichuelas con dulce is a traditional sweet bean dessert. These culinary experiences are a window into Dominican culture and hospitality. Santiago de los Caballeros is a vibrant tapestry of culture, history, and progress. From its heroic past to its thriving present, Santiago offers a captivating experience. Whether you're an art enthusiast or a history buff, Santiago has something special for you. As you stroll through its streets, you'll be greeted by the warmth of its people. The rhythmic sounds of merengue will fill the air. Santiago is a city that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye.